Morning, guys. Today we have a Ford Maverick in the shop for noise. Go inside and start it up. It starts making a heavy knocking noise. Unfortunately, I don't think that's normal, so we're going to do a quick code pull and see what's up with it. So we went to these codes, and we have a code for an injector A being open and the ignition coil also being open. So we're going to do a quick visual inspection. And here we already found the problem. Right here on the injector wire slash the coil pack wire, you see rats chew through it. But we'll make sure that that's not the only issue that's causing this noise.